Welcome, my pretties, to another special spooky episode of the Top Offers. As we enter the best time of the year, the scary time of the year, when you look around the corners and wonder, is there something else there? When something moves and creaks in the night, and you wonder if you're alone. Well, I can tell you today you aren't alone because you have great offers and great guidance. So what do you need to worry about except for maybe being a little bit scared as we go through these offers? We are going to be sharing with you 5 terrifically, terrifyingly good offers with great commission, great conversions, and maybe something you haven't heard before, because Halloween is best, again, with surprises! That wasn't nearly as good as the first one, but it's okay. There's plenty of scary things that we have going on. Today, I'm going to be bringing in some of my little extra scary helpers, we could say. Although it's painful to sit and wait, remember, the best things in life do hurt, but wait because it will be worth it. So, as we get started, let's jump in with our first terrible, sinister offer.
Meow for a change of pace. Hi guys, I'm Anna from ClickBank's affiliate team, and I am not a Halloween person, but these hooligans we work with tricked Lauren and me into dressing up. You'll hear from Lauren later. Definitely a trick on us. Anyways, it's October. You're preparing your plans for end of Q4 and into Q1. Looking for the next weight loss offer? The jury's still out, guys, but I want to highlight Fastlane Pro. This is all natural and new from the team that brought you other winning offers like Prodentum and Prostadine. Looking at the past 30 days, we're seeing 1.45 hop conversion, 2.12 EPC, and 146 APV. Metrics are solid across the board for all traffic sources, but this is going to work really well with some of those out-of-the-box traffic sources like influencer, organic, any social platforms that you have. It's just time to get those ad accounts warmed up for the new year and weight loss season.
Okay, next offer's in a very hot niche. It's actually bigger than dogs, apparently. More sales than dogs, which I'm finding hard to believe, but bear with me. This is the Chameleon Care Guide. And before you laugh, they're super spooky because they can see in 2 directions at once. And they change colors almost all the time. And you can't even see them move hardly. They're like a leaf, but they're not. And what this product does, the Chameleon Care Guide, it teaches you how to breathe, which is kind of weird, if you ask me. So, what I want you to think about here is if you have an audience of chameleon enthusiasts, this is going to convert like gangbusters. I can't promise it's going to convert to everybody, but it is trending up. So, if you want an average commission rate of almost $12, you need to jump on this. Chameleons are the second most popular reptile after snakes, which means that they're at least the 3rd most popular animal right now. And not only will you get the Chameleon Guide if your buyers get this, you can also get the order bump for growing your own crickets at home, which saves a ton of money. Crickets are expensive, man. They're getting so expensive. Inflation is just crazy right now. People always ask us, hey, should we promote offers with high gravity, low gravity? And what I want you to remember is it doesn't really matter about the gravity, man. What matters is that it's the right fit for you. So check it out.
How tired did that man seem? Very tired. But you listeners are not tired. In fact, you're excited, you're spirited, you're ready for more evil. And the best place to learn the evil world of money-making and affiliate marketing, which isn't that evil, but today it is at spark.com, where we teach you the basics of true, good, efficient affiliate marketing. Don't have a person that no one knows or is living in the shadows of affiliate marketing. Let the light be shown on it, and no templates and all sorts of tips and tricks that you just have to click below and learn so you yourself could become an affiliate monster or superstar or some sort of platitude that people seem to enjoy, but I think the scary ones are better. Anyway, click below and find out more so you could soon become a scary super affiliate.
Hey, did you know ClickBank has e-commerce offers now? Be the first to test these brand new offers on ClickBank. The first one is Atlas Bars. This is a powerful offer from a company that has created the healthiest, tastiest, and most convenient meal replacement nutrition bar with hundreds of thousands satisfied customers. This offer is offering highly competitive commission rates and CPA rates. So if you're an influencer or a TikTok affiliate, pay attention to this offer right meow. The Atlas Bar team is incredible to work with, and you can check it out on our marketplace today. And a surprise bonus number 1, simply enough. 90% of the US population does not eat enough vegetables, and enough bridges the nutritional gap. Enough is not a traditional supplement, it's concentrated food. This offer supports individuals who can't get their complete nutrients from food, and there are a variety of reasons that can happen. Picky eaters, sensory aversion, health decline. And this offer is amazing for influencer, TikTok, it went viral before, media buyers, and email affiliates. They're offering high competitive commission rates and CPA. And bonus number 2, Onnit. Alpha Brain is Onnit's ultimate nootropic to stimulate focus, support sharp mental clarity, and help you stay on the ball, which I need no help in. Over 3 million bottles sold, and you have to check out this exclusive sales funnel and upsell flows only available on ClickBank, and it's live right meow. This offer is perfect for email affiliates. They provided an incredible array of email swipes. Number 2 is our favorite, and creative assets for affiliates to leverage. Check this offer out in our marketplace and start now. Meow. Right meow.
Hey everybody, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man or Arachnoboy or whatever doesn't get us sued. I'm coming here with a brand new offer that is spooky. Well, it's not spooky, but it's going to give you spooky good weight loss. That's BioVanish. It's a brand new offer that is on the top 5, 10 list in the last 2 weeks, and I can breathe. Hello, everybody. And take it from your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man who knows a thing or two of weaving in and out through web traffic. It is killing it. It is an amazing offer that is right for the diet and weight loss niche and is coming out right before Q1. So you got Q4 to test it. It's doing great on Facebook. It's doing great on YouTube. And all the best affiliates are jumping at it, and you should too. It is a brand new offer, so we don't have a lot of metrics on how the refund rate is tracking out, but it is sure to be converting. It's converting at almost a 1% clip, and it's over a $1 EPC. It's doing great on the order form conversion. It's doing great on the click-through rate all the way through. It's an awesome offer that makes it exciting to lose weight again, and it's targeted right at the women's niche. So go promote it, get out there, and from your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. And so, with great traffic comes great profits.
On to something that isn't scary, isn't going to be looking for a job like Terry will be soon, and that is going to be our 5th, but one of our most exciting offers that has scary good results. With an average order value of almost $50 and conversion rates anywhere between 2 to 5%, we have the billionaire brainwave offer that uses magic. Ooh, magic, which is scary, but also exciting to bring money into your life. This VSL made from almost a black dark arts copywriter that's been doing it for a long time is converting, making people tons of money almost out of the blue. It is either dark magic or just the next best offer that you could promote on email, on social, and even though your AOVs are low, because the offer converts so well, it has such a broad audience, because everybody wants money just magically in their lives. This offer could be great for you. So, if you want money to magically appear into your ClickBank account in form of paychecks and more money and conversions, I recommend you start the billionaire brainwave, because I know my brain is filled with all sorts of billions and scary ideas. So, unless you want my offer, I'd recommend promoting this one. So if, like Terry, you're going to be looking for a job, you know you need a job soon, Terry. Next time, well, obviously there's no next time, but I would recommend Spark, which is going to be a great entry-level course at a very, very low price, teaching you sinister skills in the realm of affiliate marketing, so you don't have to grow out your hair, decide to stop seeing the sun, and only come out once a year to scare people on video. So join Spark and get control of your life and have success towards your first ClickBank paycheck. Until next time.